Okay, so I thought I would show you how to make the digitals that I like to make on Canva. So what I do is I go into Adobe, that's where I do the PDFs, and I open my PDF, and what you want to do is you want to take a screenshot, and whoops, that was not supposed to happen. Okay, now we take a screenshot, and I don't know if the screenshot took, but I'm going to go double check. Go here, go screenshots. No, it did not. So we're going to go back to that. We're going to take a screenshot. There. That's how we do the screenshot. And then you want to go into your gallery and you go into your screenshots. And then you see this little pencil. Click the pencil. And then what I like to do is I like to make it just a little bit smaller just so I don't have the white space. And then see this little circle on all the way to the right. Click that. And then you're going to go snap to shape. And let's just do this right here. And it snaps to the shape. You draw around it and it snaps. Then you go done and you have that. And then I got to move that. And then you go save. And then we're going to go to another one. So we're going to go back here. We're going to go, oh, wait, no, we're going to go to our gallery. We're going to go back to the screenshot. If I knew where it was, where'd it go? Oh, that's right. My phone does not do that anymore. So we're going to go screenshot again because I have to save a copy. The way my phone saves pictures now. So we have this. Go to your little pencil and then go to this little circle. I don't know how it's going to be on some phones. Oh, cancel for a second because I don't know. This is just on my phone. And if it helps you, great. If you have any questions, you can always ask me too. So we have this again. We're going to do it again. We're going to go to the little pencil and the circle. And I'm going to do this little schoolhouse. And we don't want that. So the little globe, we go to deselect. And then we go up here and deselect all the stuff on the globe. And sometimes it can be hard, but... And there we go. And now see how the little schoolhouse on top, we want to go revert. If you don't like it, go revert to original, because there might be too much white. If there's too much white, it doesn't normally do it very well. So, and there is, see, look, there's too much white in that, but we can try it still. We're going to do it more pronounced. And this way, so when you have a little bit less, you can try and circle it again and see how it's kind of moving more. And then you can also go select manually and actually just go there so you have a little bit of that. And see, you're going to have that little bit there, so you can go deselect and go like that. And now you've got that. We go done. And now we've got more of the white. And let's go save. I'm going to do like a schoolhouse theme. And because I saved it, now I have to go back again to this and do another screenshot. So we're going to do another screenshot because I want that I want the globe. So now we go back to our gallery and we go back to our screenshot. And now let's do this globe. So the little pencil, the circle, and I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so I can see it better, and do the circle, and it has the circle for the globe, and we go save. Now we're going to go into Canva. Let's go into our Canva, and let's go, I always go to Instagram post, and we'll have to resize it, but that's okay. So I'm actually going to go into my gallery. Actually, let's go to uploads because I'm going to do this background. I always like to use one of the papers for the background. And there we go. And then we go add, do the little plus mark. Now we can go to our gallery and go to we want the globe, and I want the schoolhouse and the chalkboard. We go add to page, and they're going to all add to the page. I go back, and then we can go like this. And we can go, you can resize them. And I'm just making a little, I don't know what I'm making yet, but I just figured let's make this a little bit smaller. Now, if you want to do let's do 2 globes. You click on the globe, and then you want to click on this little plus sign, and it's going to make a second one. And we'll do 2 of the little schoolhouses too. And I'm making that schoolhouse a little bit smaller. Let's make this one a little bit smaller. If you want it the same size, then you can always duplicate it again. And then we're going to make this globe a little bit smaller. And this one too. And then we just got to figure out something to write in there. I'm going to put just the first thing that comes to my mind is God knows everything. And that just came to my mind because of the globes. And we got that, and we're going to put an exclamation point, and there we go. And then I'm actually going to move my schoolhouse and the globe because I need to put my banner on here. And I've actually made a separate folder for my banner. I don't remember how I did it either. I'll have to see if I can figure it out. And then I put my banner down here. And now we've got this, and I can post this today. And I'm going to move this just a little bit. There we go. And that's how you do a digital page with the elements. I did go through it a little quick, so if you do have any questions, please let me know. And this actually has to come up just a little bit, because this is making it, whoops. See, that's why I'm so picky. I'm going back. Yeah, there we go. Now we can go back and go here. Now it's not, because I resized the globe too much. And there we go. Now we can move this back. And there we go. If you have any questions, please let me know.